Welcome to our cabin. We are on the Windstar Windsurf. We're on deck 2, room 222. This is our first time on a Windstar ship, and our first time on the Windsurf, obviously, so let's take a detailed look around at our cabin. As you come in the door, you'll notice it's very, very nautical in here. This was, and still is, the world's largest sailing yacht. It's a little over 600 feet long, very narrow at the beam. It's very, very much like a sailing vessel. This is a really neat place to be. So as you come in, you're going to see we have a very, very large mirror. We might look a little beat up. We've just had 2 days of traveling to get here. We're in St. Martin, just before Christmas of 2021. We have all of our documents, our gift orders, our pre-cruise purchases, our shipboard of credit accounts, all that kind of good stuff is here. The cabin directory is also here. All right, some stationery. How to get around the ship, obviously. Like I said, we just got here, so we are not very familiar with this cabin or the vessel yet. Fresh fruit, very nice. How about a flower? Very, very nice. There's a lighted makeup mirror. That's always a nice one. Natalie will enjoy that one. We have power outlets, so we're set up for the standard, looks like 220, and we have one 110 plug, at least right there. We're gonna see how many power outlets we have on our cabin. So next to the makeup chair, we're gonna call this guy, that's our day chair, makeup chair, we have 3 drawers. We have a hair dryer, so that comes with it, and that's set up with the 220 plug, so that's not going to have to use one of our 110s, so that's very, very nice. Another drawer, and a 3rd drawer. We have sailed in the past, and this feels so much like a sailboat. This is really awesome. Moving over a little, more drawers. These are huge. These are very nice. So we have 3 drawers. As we move a little over. Very good. A little bit more storage space here. A little magazine rack. Some storage up above. That's going to be great for cameras. For the binoculars I wish we brought. We forgot our binoculars again. Can't believe it. And we have another chair. We move a little bit more. We have a small flat screen TV. You can still walk by. And it's big enough, I reckon. Let's move on this side of the bed. We do not have a balcony. There are no balconies on the sailing Windstar vessels. We are on the Windsurf, like I said, so there are no balconies. Let's see how we open this one. Very true to form, we have portholes. And if you want some darkness, you can always close your portholes. And I bet in heavy weather they do close our portholes. We do have a set of shears, and we also have a set of very, very heavy curtains. So that'll be very nice if we're trying to sleep in on one of these mornings. Moving over to the nightstand area, we have lighting, and we have some reading lights, directional reading lights. 2 drawers next to the bed. Is there any power over here? I don't see any power. The bed appears to be king? Queen?
Yep, king.
That's a king-size bed. That's what I was wondering.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Very, very nice. So on this side of the bed, we also have the lighting system with a sconce and then a directional reading light. And down below, there's a small shelf. Because there's really not room. What do you got back there? Switches? Lighting controls, yes.
And there's some more down there.
What do we have down here? Well, I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll figure this out. Like I said, we just got here, so we're going to have to figure this out. But there is nice storage space down here. And even a small bar to keep the stuff from falling apart. We'll see how this ship rides too. Moving over just a little bit, we have some nice cubbies that are also closable. So that's very, very nice. We can store our stuff, keep it sorted very nicely. A lot of storage. I'm very impressed with the storage here, actually. Moving over just a little bit. More storage with a tension rod to keep your stuff back in there. Looks like we have a
DVD.
Looks like a DVD player. Oh my gosh, how cool.
Understand there's a good library.
That's what I heard too. So DVD library is located in the library section is what we heard. If there's any changes, I'll update that one. A Bose soundbar, very nice. Moving on down just a little bit is our communication center. We got a very basic phone. And then it looks like we have more wall switches or lighting for the hallway, the desk, the window wall, the ceiling bar, and for the shelving. And moving over here just a little bit more, we have our beverage center. We have our ice bucket, a couple glasses, and then 2 refillable waters. Very nice. We do like that, actually. Let's move on down just a little bit more. Refrigerator in the room with the minibar set up. So it comes with looks like we have some soft drinks, ginger ale, some tonic water, some more soft drinks, some beer, Prosecco. Yeah. So nice assortment.
Not complimentary.
Not complimentary.
Unless you're on the beverage package.
On the all-inclusive beverage package. And there's more minibar options. And these are included if you do the all-inclusive beverage package, or this is the price point for the minibar.
Something else down here.
Looks like a bottle of wine or something's down below.
Wine.
Small bottle of Bola Chianti. Very well set up though. Also right here is our temperature controls. And there's even a conversion chart. It's set up for Celsius. But if you're from North America, United States, more than likely you don't know Celsius that well. Coming into the closet system, very well done. A lot of hanging. Looks like we have 8 or 10 hangers on this side. There's a shelf up above. And a lot of baskets. This is very, very sailory. Very nice having your baskets here. You can throw your shoes in it, your flip-flops, whatever you need to put in there. We have dropped some of our gear, you can see. They left us some slippers. Very nice. These are heavy too. Very nice. Laundry bag. We've got a nice little cubby. We can probably put suitcases in there. I'll have to figure that out. I've got my camera bag on this side, and then there's another cubby right next to it. So we have lots of cubbies, lots of hangers. And then on the left side, same setup. So we have the shelf, 8 or 10 hangers. We got some skirt and shorts hanging area. An in-room safe, which we always take advantage of. Put all your documents in there and everything else you need to keep stored where you want it. A loaner umbrella, I'm guessing. I don't think they're going to let us keep that one. Shoe rack, though. That's very nice on the bottom. And then 2 more cubbies. And on this side, full-length mirror with a nice little bar. Check out the door. This is not a cabin door. This is a ship door. Very cool. Light switch for the bathroom is right here on the outside. And as you come on in, like I said, we've been traveling. We look kind of rough. Pretty good sized bathroom, actually. So we have a toilet area on this side, not separated from the rest of the bathroom. So it's just a 1-person bath. But it's good size. And on this side, another makeup mirror, dual magnifier, more shelves for organization. They brought us some bath products, so we have shampoo, we have conditioner, body wash, all that kind of good stuff. We have a razor outlet here that you can switch between 115 volts or 230. We have some drinking glasses here. A little bit of more bath products, cotton swab, stuff like that. Right behind me here is the shower. Nice shower curtain here. Oh wow, look at this. So we have a shower head off the top. I'll let you come over here so you can see it. And then we also have a hand wand. So we have really the best of both worlds right there. Good size, actually. Mm-hmm. Let me step in so you can see it. So, larger than a lot of your modern cruise ships, really. So it's a good sized bathroom for the size of cabin we have. So we're excited to be here. We're going to take a look at some of the other cabins. We're in Suite 350 on the Windstar.
Windsurf.
Windstar's Windsurf, you're correct. Some of the changes you'll notice, the coffee bar.
Woo!
There's two televisions in here,
yes,
as opposed to the single. A very nice sitting area. So you have double the space. That's how they make a suite here.
Is this, Emma, a sofa bed? Right here?
This is not a sofa bed.
Not a sofa bed, so it's only designed for two.
Yes.
So basically, you get two sides, double the space.
They're very spacious.
Oh, they get binoculars with theirs?
There's binoculars, there's sound system, you have your very plush bathroom.
Does every cabin get binoculars or just the suites?
Just the suite.
Okay.
And then every cabin gets bathrobes, but not like this.
Ooh.
So you can really lounge in that.
Very nice.
And bathrooms.
Two bathrooms.
Okay, then everything
Yeah.
is just the same.
Cool. Very nice.
Well designed.
Very nice.
Lots of storage.
Lots
space.
of storage.
Lots of storage
We could
space,
just
yes.
move right in. We wouldn't need anything else. This will be it.
That's it.
This is it. Okay, continuing on our tour, we are on 502, the Windsurf. This is the bridge suite. So we have a special treat for you to take a look. There's only two of these on board the ship. We're in room 502. Come on inside, let's. So you come in and you have a sitting room. It's arrival day today, so you have fresh flowers and champagne waiting for you.
On ice, no doubt.
It is ready. One thing to really notice here are the wonderful big windows that you have. It does look out onto the deck. Behind us here, on this side, you will notice
Oh, wow.
the complete lineup of beverages.
So all your glassware is ready to go. You can entertain. And of course,
has a smoke detector.
the mini bar is all set up, ready to go.
And on the bridge,
Water,
early warning of smoke
tap water,
fire.
and
Here's
sparkling
the
water.
procedure for putting on
And
your
don't
life
forget
jacket.
your,
You have an
Place the
espresso
life
maker.
jacket
Very nice, very nice.
Reflective tape facing
again,
outward and to the front.
complimentary use of
Connect
the
the Velcro strip.
binoculars.
Pass the belt around your waist and
You're
connect
gonna
the buckle.
have your
pushing the two
safety
parts
video.
together.
I'm not
Pull the
sure what that is
security
down
strap
there.
as tight as
There's,
possible.
That's a sound system.
Tuck the end of the strap into the belt so it does
okay,
not
some
hang loose.
storage.
Your life jacket is fitted with a light.
A refrigerator
which activated
is located
automatically by
here.
Contact with water. Each life jacket has a whistle to attract attention.
And then more
More
storage.
storage. Important to note,
And key card.
this is
If the way to your
its own
stateroom
door.
is locked, please go directly to your muster station where spare life
So you
jackets
do
will
have
be
a
provided.
bedroom
Even
door,
numbered muster
not a
stations
curtain.
are located on the port or left-hand side.
And when you enter the bedroom,
Numbered muster stations are located on the starboard or right-hand side of the ship.
you have a few products there on the nightstand.
Outside your stateroom door. Please be aware that in a real emergency,
Very nice.
doors may be closed, blocking exits to the main staircase.
Yeah, drawers there.
These doors are also closed upon arrival and departure from port.
a very large bedroom
You may
television.
use the staircase marked emergency exit and follow the signs.
Lots of storage space here.
So there's 2 televisions in this suite then.
Yes.
Once you
A
reach
drawer
your
for
station,
your
stay
hair
quiet.
dryer.
Listen for announcements from the public
Additional
agencies.
plugins.
Okay, how many power outlets do we have? We have one 110 and one 220, okay.
Calling your stateroom number. Answer with the number
Now,
of people occupying the stateroom.
We have
Your
a
number is
full
called. Once you
walk-in
call,
closet.
further instructions will be given.
Let me see if I can get all this.
Very large. A lot of mirrors in here. Full-length mirrors. There's one full-length mirror here. A safe. Tons of drawer space right here. Another full-length mirror. The robes and laundry areas are here. Additional drawers,
Crazy.
slippers.
This is great.
And I can tell the biggest difference is going to be this marble jacuzzi tub.
Also be aware of raised sills and sinks.
Our stateroom doesn't have one of these. This is wonderful.
Missed it.
Oh wow, look at this.
Yeah. We have a separate shower. Dual sinks. What's even more amazing is this is accessible.
Oh, and then a washroom.
Yeah.
Okay, so this door.
This is for your entertaining.
So if
here.
you're entertaining, you separate your living space.
Yep. which is
Very
right
nice.
Here. So there's a sink and a toilet here, and then you will come back out again into your main living area.
So this is a separate door also.
Your participation in this exercise is mandatory. The purpose of this exercise is to familiarize you with the
If
safety.
you're looking for some luxuries on a sailing yacht, this would have to be about the pinnacle of the luxury system here. Wonderful.
Should you need a children's life jacket, please contact your stateroom steward.
And once again, beautiful window in your stateroom.
Both locally and at the strap into the belt, so it doesn't
So this is stateroom 502, a bridge suite
hit with a light.
on the Windstar's Windsurf.